It was about or this way, Chicago. Excuse me. It's 3:10:21. The deciders want you to think it's 3:10:21. So that being said, this just popped up on that. I was going to get into my bookmark so I could do a different video, but this guy, who did they post here? I'm losing my. Yeah, whatever. All right. I don't know if they do this just to see what reaction we're going to have or how many people are awake, or is this really real? I only saw the first few seconds because I wanted to save the entire thing for my reaction as we see it together right now. So I don't know what happens after about the first 3 seconds, but I had to hit pause and turn on my computer software to show what they're planning for us. If you don't see that these guys think we're going in a direction, which I believe we are now, that they want us to be in, yeah. While we're all talking about Humpty and the other guy and this and that and the other thing, this is going on in the background. They're not even going to need women anymore. This is incredibly crazy. Watch this. Let's go. Oh, wait. No sound. I don't want to get hit with no copyright. Look at it lighting up. Oh, nice, huh? What do you think that is, people? You got any idea yet? Oh, what are they saying? It's called the concept. The concept incubator grows babies at home. The world is not upside down, I swear. Yeah. And everybody virtue signaling. Remember when it was this group? Then they were important because they're victims. Then the new victims came in. I'm not going to say who they are. And now the two victim groups, not all of you think you're a victim, by the way, but the ones who do, now they don't like each other. But whatever. You're not going to have babies anyways. They're going to grow them in the lab. All right. It's not even funny anymore, but I can't believe, no matter what we say, everybody's just going to go, yes, sir, and just lay down, right? Oh, my. I'll let this play. The concept incubator. Look how happy these young people are. It's designed to replace the womb and pregnancy. Oh, I gotta stop this for a second. Am I living in Bozo Circus Land? This dude's doing his business at home, which there ain't gonna be no work to do anyway. You're gonna get your government check till they put you on the train anyway. The trains are coming. Do you remember? You probably don't. Most people don't. The history, why they had blonde hair, blue eye was the thing. They were going to inbreed and all that stuff, right? To make the perfect people or whatever. Can't say much about it, but if you have technology now, which they do, to splice genes, they can cut a gene. The only thing is you got to get into the DNA, right? I wonder how you could do that. Hey, has anybody looked up Moderna's website? On the top page, why don't you read that first paragraph? Get it? All right, let's get back to this dystopian shit. There's your baby growing by the front window of your living room while you're working at home on a job pretending you're working. Because we're all going to be equal until they get rid of everybody. And don't forget the Georgia Guidestones, 500 million world population. Just saying, they're not hiding anything. The C2 pod sits in your living room. Nice. All right, what we got here? Parents would be able to live their lives normally. See, your pesky children. These children, remember the other day I showed you the children. Oh, I don't know if you saw it here. I posted on my news thing. The children are now considered to be bad for the environment. That's a real news story, by the way. The elite think that your children are bad for the earth. That's no joke. Oh my. You don't need to be bothered with your pregnancy. Oh my. Do they not see us as human? I'm getting a clue. Maybe they don't think you're human anymore. Or you may not be after the old jabberoni. Because I can't tell you why. But Look up the research and the technology and who invented it all. The dark arts people. They can watch. Oh my God, I can't even believe what's on the screen. They can watch the fetus grow in the pot. I swear, a year ago I must have died, and I'm living in purgatory right now. And this is my final test from God to whether you go up or down. You know what I'm saying? Like nothing is making sense anymore. That's also in the Bible. But a lot of people, I don't want to get nobody mad. So you may want to check that out too. Especially if you were totally against, let's say, creation, God, whatever you call it, for people, I don't want to get nobody triggered here. What's the opposite of that? Yeah, like make your own creation. They think they're gods, these psychos. Oh my. Watch your fetus watch your fetus grow in your pod in your living room while you're remote working, right? So you don't have to be bothered by your own children. Where do the children go after you hatch them or whatever this is? What happens then when your kid's crying and it's a pain in your ass, right? Oh my God, are we in trouble? Oh, what's this powder? It has a dock to insert food. What? What is that? Oh, I don't even want to know what that is. It's green. Maybe a little soylent. These guys have to be. Has to be a mind f that they're just seeing what. Oh no, they're really doing all this. Now I don't know if they're making babies in pods that we know of because I haven't even seen that research yet. But we know there's Crimea. That's a fact. The dark art military guys have been doing that or not. What is this, like an oil change? So is this like a reptile tank? I'm sorry, I'm laughing. This ain't in my reality anymore. Like this doesn't. I guess I'm not meant to be a robot. Oh, you're talking. Oh my God, dude! Look at the horns on this thing with the pencils behind it. Really? Look how they frame this shot. Little horn, little no. But anyways, there's a microphone to speak to the fetus. Oh shit! I can't even believe I knew I had to say I couldn't watch this ahead of time because this is too I gotta catch myself when these things happen when I see this stuff. This is the stuff you guys miss that I'm just sitting there during the day going, oh my God. And then I should have caught it on mic. So basically I'm just doing an open mic. Oh, this is disgusting. The product is just an idea at this stage. Yeah, I bet it is. It was thought up by students at product design, whatever that is. Yeah. Is and if the, if that really was done by students, is this how they see their future? Really? But students will be putting all these symbolisms in their videos. I don't think. Uh, this is very high produced. Uh, this again in their cult or whatever you want to call these overlords or the powers that be or the deciders. I'll call them. I didn't make that up, but the song did. But anyways, they're putting this out because they, in their belief, get good karma back if they throw it out to you, you accept it, and then later you just consent, like we're doing now with everybody with your muzzles still on. There's people in Texas still wearing muzzles. We're brain dead. Like we're in another world. Anyways, let's see where this goes. What she said, yes, sort. Oh no, no! Oh heck no! No! These guys are showing you you're the lamb. Oh man. Why are they pumping all this symbolism? We'll call it? Healthy lambs had been delivered from a what's this thing called? Biobog? I can't read the letter. It's under biobog, I think. Biobag. I'm sorry. Healthy lambs had been delivered from a biobag. That's where your new babies are going to be coming from, a biobag. In the lamb reference, anybody want to take a clue what they're talking about? And who they're mocking, maybe? Who's the lamb? Right? Oh my. This is evil, dude. This is evil to the 10th degree. Look, it's alive in there. This is not even a doll. That thing's moving. Did you see it moving? Oh, heck no. The bio, hang on. Oh my God, I even missed it. I didn't even see. I'll go back and play it. It's like, the technology is advancing, so it is only a matter of time. If they're telling you this, they're doing humans. I would bet any amount of money. If Vegas had odds on it, I would put a few dollars that they're telling you because it's already here. Oh my. A matter of time, my ass. You're already doing animals in a bag. Why couldn't you do a human like that? What's the difference? And then you're going to get it home and grow it. Like, do you remember? I can't even think. When I was a kid, we had toys in our cereal boxes. Do you remember if you're old enough, you remember back when we had the little mini aquarium, I think it was called, and it was like a seed, a little sponge, and a little cat looked like a gumball thing you would get where the gumball was inside, and you'd snap it together, put it in your drawer for a week, and boom, you had a baby in your drawer, right? That's what they're doing? Really? Oh, and then you're going to be able to custom order it if you're rich enough. What do you want? Blonde hair, black hair, curly hair, da 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 da, right? This is a continuation of the blonde hair, blue eyed theory, but now they have technology to get into your DNA. You know what I'm saying? How are they doing that? Go to that website I told you. I think the company's name is Modern. And if you look at MOD, then they got the letter E. Let's see, Modern, RNA. So RNA it ends in. Isn't that weird? Just built into their name. And I believe that's their stock symbol too. So just saying, you know what I mean? Like none of this was planned out. It's a baby company. They're gonna make 80 billion this year, by the way. Don't worry about it though. Put your head down, mask up, and obey. All right, pods like this could replace surrogacy in the future. Yeah, it's gonna replace humans. They're only gonna need a few humans. This is what they think. It's gonna be up to God, I guess, at this point, because the humans are just giving up. Oh, this is insane. Oh, no. The tech could also be used to help. Premature. Okay, I thought they were showing one they just grew in the lab. That's why I freaked out. I'm like, oh, that's all the little feet were. I'm like, they didn't really do this. Oh, heck no. See, and this is another thing, people, by the way. When this stuff comes up from DARPA and all that crap, the dark arts, they always bring it out under the name of medical technology for saving a handful of people. So here, the tech could also be used to help premature babies. That's not why they're doing it. But they'll sell it that way. A few will be saved, and then boom, you're growing them in your garden. Look up an old movie called Motel Hell. That was where they were doing the opposite. You were cutting people's throats and putting them in the ground. I mean, now you're growing them up. It was the same kind of theory, though. You were growing them like corn stalks. You know, little humor. This is so sad. This is where we're heading. Is this science gone too far? It says. Yeah, I wonder. I just wonder if it's gone too far. Tech Insider UK. Well, I'm going to leave this. It speaks for itself. This way, Chicago. I'll be back. I got another video I was working on. This just popped up in my feed as I was about to open up my bookmarks. I'll be back.